on the rooftops of London. Cool. What a sight.
Hey guys, what's going on? Name's Dustin Miller. Some call me Dougie. We out here in the 415, riding bicycles, and this is my bike check. So I got the Colt OS frame, 21 inch, fit sky high bars, Primo Annihilator stem, BSD ghetto forks, fat tire, white wall, G-Sport ratchet laced to G-Sport rim, Odyssey 12 volt cranks, favorite cranks I've ever had, Demolition sprocket, Colt chain, Odyssey PC pedals, the Dan's Comp seat post with a nice pivotal seat, G-Sport rim laced to profile racing hub, left-hand drive, got pegs on the right. Yeah, I mean, this is me, this is my bike, and we're lovers. For this bike check, you're gonna see lots of bar spins.
Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chim chiroo. I does what I likes and I likes what I do. Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chim chiree. A screamer's an artist of highest degree.
Okay, I clock in when they hand me that mic and I rage. I clock out when they hand me my check right off stage. Like, okay, you say your life's cool but you lie. We never have school nights, it's always July. Break swishers down daily, I pack it and lick it. Hit up after parties and get paid to kick it. Go home with some girlies, see if they're with it. Don't lie, if you had a choice to, you would pick it. This job is the coolest, thought that y'all knew this. I'm young and ambitious, stay hungry and foolish. Work, R.I.P. Steve, those words are the truest. I put see the whole world up on my to-do list. Yo.
Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chim chiroo. I does what I likes and I likes what I do. Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chim chiree.